Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the same topic. Student, we take here the preparation of carboxylic acid. Today we also take the same topic, how to prepare the carboxylic acid. Yesterday we take the point first, how to prepare the carboxylic acid from the nitrosamine. Second, from the acetyl chloride. Third, we take the from the ester. Ester in which we take the two topic here. A called as the acidic hydrolysis of ester. And now we take today here we take the B topic here, preparation of carboxylic acid. But from the preparation of carboxylic acid from the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. It means we added a alkali with the help of alkali on a ester, and when which hydrolysis we prepared a carboxylic acid. Now, what is the reaction of hydrolysis or alkaline hydrolysis of ester and to prepare the carboxylic acid? We take the chemical reactions. So, in this chemical reaction, when a ester, it means we take the ester, ester called what here? The special compound of this reaction, we take the what here? C5. Okay, so we take the what here? H5 C2. C2H5 single bond attached to what here? C2H5C double bond O attached to what here? The CH3. So name of this compound is called what here? The methyl. This is called as the methyl. And how many carbon? 3 carbon called what here? Propane. 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 E replaced by OAT because it is a ester. So propanoid. Okay. So methyl propanoid on a reaction with alkaline hydrolysis means added a alkali here. This is dilute KOH. What we get in this reaction? In this reaction, here this CH3, okay beta, this CH3 and these what here? So we take the KOH. KOH के लिए से एनर्जी नहीं चलता बेटा, अगर मैंने KOH लिया, अगर यहाँ पे dilute NaOH भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है बेटा? So in this reaction, this CH3 OH will be both as what here methyl alcohol and this sodium attached to this oxygen. So what we get? It's also right in the form of C2H5 C double bond OO. Clear? Attached to what here? Na. Plus loss of CH3OH called as the methyl chloride. It is called as what here? So it is called as the sodium. Na called as what here? Sodium. What here? Propanoid. Sodium propanoid. It's a what here? It's called as a soil. Negative here positive. Now this sodium salt or propanoid is further react with what here is a further react with the acidic hydrolysis. This in presence of dilute HCl and added acid with HOH. So what we get in this reaction? So in this reaction, these hydrogen atoms are attached to the oxygen and the OH attached to the Na. So what we get answer? We get a C2H5 C double bond O as it is O attached to H called as the OH plus remaining part this is Na. Clear? And this OH will be goes as NaOH. Clear? So it is called what here? How many carbon? 2 carbon called what here? The 3 carbon called what? Propane. And this propane E replaced by OIC called as what here? Propanoic acid. So in this way we prepare the what here beta? Preparation of what here? Carboxylic acid from the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Clear? It is also called as the saponification. इसका यूनिट क्या बेटा? It is also called as the what? Saponification. Means with the help of this process we we also prepared soap called as a saponification. You know soap, there are two types of soap, hard soap and soft soap. The hard soap are prepared when I stir or any oils react with the sodium hydroxide from the what hard soap, whereas the sodium or ester or oil is react with the KOH, it form the soft soap. So with the help of this process we also prepared a what here soap called as saponification or formation of acid from the alkaline hydrolysis of ester. Clear है बेटा? The question is what is saponification? The process with the preparation of soap by using alkaline hydrolysis of NaOH or KOH on ester or acid. It called as what here? The saponification. ठीक है बेटा? Now we take the reaction number 4. What? Reaction number 4 we take the from alkyl benzene. From alkyl or alkyl benzene. The alkyl benzene is also called as the what here? Toluene. The special name is called what here? Toluene. From the toluene or alkyl benzene, how to prepare the carboxylic acid? So we take the toluene here, benzene. Clear beta? Attached to how many carbon? 1 carbon and 3 hydrogen. It is called CH3. CH is called as the benzene. Sorry, CH is called as the alkene or methyl, and the is called as benzene. It is called as the methyl benzene. What is it? Methyl benzene or toluene. So when toluene on oxidation, or what is it? When the toluene is react with oxygen, called as oxidation, in presence of what here? This reaction takes place in presence of KMnO4. This KMnO4 are act as what here? Catalyst and react with the KOH, potassium hydroxide. Clear? So in this reaction we added a 3 oxygen. This addition of oxygen called as oxidation. So when the methyl benzene on oxidation take place in presence of KMnO4 called as potassium permanganate and react with the potassium hydroxide, what we get? We get a complex. All this reaction upon this 3H are lost and this 1H are lost. Clear? This 3H and 1H, how many 4H and this 2O are lost. So what we get? Loss of what here? Twice H2O molecule. Remaining are joined together. So what here? Ring as it is attached to COOK. What here? Attached to what here? C double bond OOK plus loss of twice H2O molecule. अब रिएक्शन में कैसे हो जाएगा? ठीक है, benzene as it is, this C attached to the this one oxygen, what we get? CO and this OK ये वाला होगा, ठीक है? So what we get here? Benzene, this C, this one O, CO and this OK. Remaining part what here? This one H, this 3H which goes what here? Twice H2. Remaining half of oxygen to oxygen. So what we get? Twice H2. It is called as a complex. When complex on hydrolysis, what here? Acidic hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl. What we get beta? So simple reaction. In this reaction, this H attached to this oxygen and this OH are lost. This K and this OH are lost as KOH. So what we get answer? So in this reaction, we get answer benzene attached to COOH plus loss of KOH. It is called what here? Benzoic acid. So from the what here? Alkyl benzene or methyl benzene toluene on oxidation in presence of KMnO4 react to the what here? KOH. It form the complex on acidic hydrolysis form the benzoic acid. So in this way we prepared a what here beta? Carbon complexes from the alkyl benzene, methyl benzene or toluene. Clear? Simple reaction of the reaction curve will be clear. Now we take the third reactions. Sorry, we take the one reaction and fourth reaction. So fourth reaction from the what here? अब ये example solve करते बेटा. यानी in this reaction it is called example of what here? Primary प्राइमरी बेंजीन और प्राइमरी कार्बन, ठीक है। यानी इन दिस रिएक्शन ओनली द प्राइमरी alkyl chain is give the primary and secondary alkyl chain give the what here the only the primary carbon and secondary carbon give the what here benzoic acid, but tertiary carbon does not give the what here benzoic acid. तो इसकी एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके बिना देखने जाएगा ये एग्जांपल है। so when a benzene is react with this carbon has one hydrogen and two carbon, two CH3. It is called which here tertiary carbon. Okay, so when tertiary carbon, it means the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon. Sorry, primary, secondary, tertiary carbon gives the what here the benzoic acid. Okay, but the quaternary carbon does not give the benzoic acid. अब reaction में देख लो, it's called what here tertiary. What here the propyl benzene on reaction on oxidation with two atom of oxygen in presence of what here say KMNO and react with the QH. So what we get reaction? This H is goes out. This two CH3 also goes out. So what is the meaning? देखो बेटा समझो क्या होता है। तो यहाँ पे रिएक्शन क्या हो रही है? So what we get a ring attached to what here COOK. Remaining part are what here? So remaining part what here? This two CH3, this CH3, this two O, this H. So if you go to what here? Plus loss of CH3 single bond CH3O single bond CH3. what is what अब तो यहाँ पे रिएक्शन का हो रही है ना। रिएक्शन का होने पर यहाँ पे तो यहाँ से हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से कितने ऑक्सीजन ऐड किए देखो पहले। तो यहाँ क्या गैस लॉस किया, यहाँ क्या लॉस किया 2H, तो यहाँ प्लस क्या करना पड़ेगा H2 करना पड़ेगा, क्या करना पड़ेगा प्लस H2, ठीक है। अब ऑक्सीजन कितने ऐड करेंगे यहाँ पे, यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन 2 है, यहाँ पर 1 2 + 2 3, यहाँ 2 आ गया और ये 3 हो गया। इट मींस it is called as the what here the complex here and loss of what here ether and H2O molecule. Now this what here this compound on acidic hydrolysis react with the water molecule. Same reaction this O, this K and OH will be both the same with remaining attached to the oxygen. So it is also from the what here benzoic acid, what here and loss of what here KOH. It is called what here benzoic. ठीक है बेटा। So in this way we prepared a what here the carboxylic acid from the alkyl basis of ester, second from the alkyl benzene toluene, the second point लिखा, first point from the secondary what here from the primary benzene and from the tertiary benzene. From the quaternary benzene does not prepare the benzoic acid। इसी है यहाँ पे 3 ऑक्सीजन यूज किए थे बेटा, यहाँ 2 ऑक्सीजन यूज कर रहे हैं, क्लियर जाता है सब, ठीक है। इस तरीके से हमने देखा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ व्हाट है बेटा द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फ्रॉम द दिस टॉपिक, ठीक है क्लियर। नाउ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड from the next reaction. So next reaction is the chemical reaction from the alkene, from the what here alkenes. From the alkene, how to prepare a carboxylic acid? So any alkene will be what here, what is alkene? It contains carbon carbon double bond called as alkene. So when alkene, for example phenyl ethene. So when a phenyl ethene means C6H5 attached to CH double bond CH2. What is what here? Methyl phenyl. Methyl. Sorry. Phenyl ethene. On oxidation, phenyl ethene on in presence of what is oxidation? Addition of oxygen. So added of 4 oxygen. This reaction take place in presence of K, M and 4. So what we get? We get a carboxylic acid. How this reaction is take place? So it's also take place in presence of dilute H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Now this reaction what we take here? This new acid is what here? C6H5. Clear? Single bond. Remaining part what here? Remaining part what? This H with this all group are lost. ठीक है, क्लियर है? What we get a benzene C6H5 then COO. तो पूरा ग्रुप निकल जाएगा बढ़िया से H. So what we get answer? We get a COOH. The remaining part are joined together. अब remaining क्या लिखा हुआ आपको देख रहे हैं बड़ा, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऐसे लिखा हमने ये लिखा है पे, यहाँ पर C लिया, ठीक है? ये C लिया, क्लियर? This C and 2 oxygen added and 1 H added है, ठीक है? अब remaining क्या बचा? How many H? This 1 H, this 1 H and this 1 O. What we get? H2O plus CO2 carbon dioxide. That is called as the benzoic acid. What we get here? So we get a what here? Benzoic acid. ऐसा में रिएक्शन बेटा सिंपल है. अब कौन सी एग्जांपल आप यहाँ पे चेंज करेंगे? अगर एग्जांपल चेंज करना है आपको तो आपको सॉल्व करना है एग्जांपल में, ठीक है? फिनिल इथीन में ऑक्सीजन 4 ऑक्सीजन ऐड किया, ये जो ग्रुप है उसको निकाल दिया और यहाँ पर जो ये C था, ये C और यहाँ से तो ऑक्सीजन यहाँ शिफ्ट किया, यहाँ का H क्या बनेगा? COH, यहाँ का H रिमेनिंग, यहाँ का H और यहाँ पे O और H2O और यहाँ 2O और यहाँ पे C. What we get? CO2 loss किया. What we get? We get a phenyl ethene from what? Prepared by the benzoic acid. अब यहाँ पे एग्जांपल सॉल्व करो. अगर यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिया? साइक्लोहेक्सेन लिया. अगर यहाँ पे हमने एग्जांपल चेंज किया, यहाँ पे एग्जांपल में साइक्लोहेक्सेन लिया, क्या मिलेगा? से एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट दे इसको, इससे सेकंड दी. अगर हमने साइक्लोहेक्सेन लिया, ring attached to cyclohexene, तो same on react with the 4 oxygen, same here in presence of KMnO4. तो सेम यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 2 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गए और 2 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गए, ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे जो H है वो बाद में चला जाएगा, इनको रिलीजन ब्रेक हो जाएगी ना. ब्रेक कैसे होगी बेटा? देखो देखो ये जो कार्बन ये COH हो जाएगा और ये जो कार्बन है कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड ये COH हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? इट मींस द डबल बॉन्ड चेंजिंग टू व्हाट हियर? द व्हाट? डबल बॉन्ड एंड सिंगल बोथ बॉन्ड आर ब्रेक डाउन चेंजिंग टू व्हाट हियर? ये भी होता है बॉन्ड भी जुड़ जाएगा, ब्रेक हो जाएगा. ये डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जा रहा है, डायरेक्ट चेंज का मतलब ऐसे भी हो रहा है. इट मींस द अल्कीन with double bond are changing to what here? Carboxylic acid. So both are called what here? Any ring attached to the two COH group is called what here? It is called as the adipic acid. इसका नाम क्या है? स्पेशल adipic acid. ठीक है? So this way we prepared what here? The carboxylic acid from the alkene. ये reaction है. ठीक है? ओके बेटा, ये जो रिएक्शन का और बेटा जो कार्बन है, कार्बन का डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जा रहा है, वो ओपन हो जा रहा है और यहाँ पे CO ग्रुप जो यहाँ पे H है ना, यहाँ पे भी H है, डबल H, सिंगल H, यहाँ पर भी सिंगल H. तो H ओपन होने के मामले में क्या हो रहा है? कार्बन हो रहा है, COH हो जाएगा. ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.